Justin from Moxie Van Co. I want to show you guys today what we're doing to this 2025 Mercedes Sprinter. It is a dually Sprinter, so we are actually going to convert it to super single wheels. So it will be single wheels in the rear. They are a bigger wheel and tire combo. So we've already done some modifications to allow for the bigger tire, like these Fender extensions here. We replaced those, the factory ones, to allow more tire clearance, and the same in the rear. It's a cutout, but an extension to allow more room for the larger tires in the rear. And we've already got the front jacked up, so we're gonna take off the wheels and put on the new wheels and show you guys the difference it makes and what we can do to a dually to add some neat stuff to it. So we'll show you that whole process. All right, we're all done. As you can see here, we converted from a dually to a single rear wheel, larger wheel and tire combo. Looks great. It's got the Rika super single wheels in the front over here. Big upgrade to this van. We're gonna be doing a lot of add-ons and upgrades to this van, so stay tuned for more videos.